Florida's barrier reef is almost extinct, having lost 98% of its living coral since the 1970s. This 7,000-year-old reef has been home to 1,400 species of marine plants and animals and needs our help to survive. The Coral Restoration Foundation is rehabilitating the 200-mile Florida Reef Tract by farming and planting endangered species of corals. Since 2012, they have planted more than 120,000 corals, which are now successfully spawning and growing on their own. The foundation is also home to the world's largest genetic bank of corals for a future-proofed ocean. Ponyo-Inu is teaming up with the Coral Restoration Foundation to help save these essential ocean species by way of auto-impact investing, which allows token speculation to have a direct monetary impact on causes that are truly transformative. Every transaction sends a donation directly to the CRF's crypto wallet, funding their vital restoration work while Ponyo-Inu circulates.